electronic toothbrush. Everything counts.
And now the second part of day 3 at CES. Keep watching. So we have here the NE4 Evolution headphones, well, earphones. This is a highly customizable earphones, right? The earbud, you see that the top part over there, that can be replaceable with either like pop faceplate, reference faceplate, and a transparent faceplate. So pop gives you a bit more bass. Reference is as flat as it possibly can, and the transparent actually gives a little bit of high frequency boost, just a little bit. It's not that much of a variation that's going to hurt your ears. So I tried all of them today, and this is how it looks like. Okay, now it can go to focus there. And so instead of having to buy like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 earbuds, all you need to do is buy one earbud, and then the package itself comes with three different filters, so you can choose whether you want more bass, natural, or more treble. They plan to release even more faceplates with different filters, so you can customize your earbuds even further. It's already currently shipping in the United States. From the short listening session I had here, I can highly recommend this. Yeah, it's good. Beware of hot people.
Max timer, but you can keep it running all day long without stopping. Times available for you to use technically. But a good rule of thumb is necessarily use it for 10 minutes.
There are so many of them, so many pot people. I'm a pot people.
I'm gonna get close-ups, switching.
Remember the audio brand Aiwa? Well, now they apparently sell toaster oven, air fryer, blender, a boombox with a TV screen, coffee maker, deep fryer, grilling machine, panini press, vacuum cleaner, even space heater. Hey, there's toaster too! All jokings aside, I'm actually interested in getting one of these. Hopefully it's available in Canada pretty soon. It's such a retro unit, but with Bluetooth. But look at this. CD player, yes, it's a vertical load CD player. Also a cassette player, VU meter, analog tuning. It's sweet 1980s. But on top of that, it also has auxiliary input, USB-A input, micro SD, and 2 microphone inputs. So, you know, sing along. Oh, there's another mic here, just to record something like a speech or something like that. And this unit is actually very heavy. I tried picking it up, and yeah, it is very heavy. And G3D, that is the name of the 3D printer company. This is a new 3D printing machine that for this entire thing it only takes about 8 hours to do, and it does not need to be cured further because the printer also has a built-in UV light, so it cures automatically. No need for sanding. So the textures you see over here are the actual texture right after the printing. Of course, it's further painted, but this is the actual texture.
I want
And yes, this is another 3D printed statuette. And there's a broken arm there. So if you want to see what's the battery look like inside your Tesla cars, here you go. Wow, that gigantic sphere? Yeah, it's really gigantic. I hope it's done by the end of this year, so next year I can try it out. I can listen to it and experience it.